So hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's design I'm going to be using the Urban Graffiti Cat's Eyes collection. So here I'm using the Naio Nails Cat Eyes collection, and this is Frenemy. So Frenemies are really like metallic pink. It's got some really fine pigments to it. So I've already prepped, primed and sculpted a nail. So I'm just doing my first base coat of Frenemy. So some people use a black base for this, but I've just gone straight in with the pink. So once I've painted the nail and capped the free edge, it goes under the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with my second coat of the cat's eye. It's such a pretty pink. So don't forget to cap that free edge. I'm going to go in with a magnet, and this is where the magic happens. You see, when you move the magnet over the nail, the particles in the gel polish move around. So the darker colours are the ones that the magnet's almost touched. So once you're happy with where your magnet's been, pop it under the lamp for 30 seconds. So now using the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to cap that design in. I'm going to pop it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Now using the pink pineapple cuticle oil, I'm going to rehydrate that nail. So here you can see where the magnet was closest to the nail, and it's brought up all the metallic pigments from the nail polish. So I hope you like this design and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!